Hello guys, welcome again for another great YouTube video. Remember, my name is Seal and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So for those of you who follow me on this channel, you know I talk about how to make money online, how to invest online, and especially how to do that with affiliate marketing. So a lot of people are asking this question, how to become an affiliate marketers. I know there are a lot of videos out there, but today I want to give you a six-step or a six-step formula for you to get started and become a full and a great affiliate marketer. So you don't want to miss it. You want to stick to the end of this video. And please don't forget me, because before we go further, I want to ask you for a great favor. Please don't forget to go below and subscribe right now to my channel, because huge and big beautiful videos that are coming, and you're gonna learn a lot and improve your online business. So the video of today will be an answer on how to become an affiliate marketer. So before I just say, let's dive in. All right, guys, we are back. So what is the first thing? Of course, as I said, there are a lot of uh, reason, but the first thing that I will recommend you as you get started or as you want to become an affiliate marketer is to choose your niche. Choosing your niche is one of the most important things you really need to do as you get started online to become an affiliate marketer. One of the big mistakes that a lot of people are doing as they start affiliate marketing is that they are following the places where money is. It can be a great thing for them or for some of them, but I don't know if it will be for you. But the thing I really believe is that you really need to follow a niche, and a niche is not defined by the kind of money people are making there, or the type of results that people are showing, but the niche is defined by what is your interest, what the things you are passionate about, what the things you like to share with people, what kind of thing you want to just be speaking, giving, or you want just be a part of. So this is the kind of thing you use in order to find your niche. And don't forget, when you find your niche, it will just give you the pleasure and the happiness to be working on, to be building yourself and getting improved every day. Because if you get somewhere where it's not your niche, it's not something you are passionate about, you may have some results, but they won't last because you may not be consistent, or you may get tired. But once you are in your niche, you will be able to work for free, because don't forget, as you get started, things will not always be great at the beginning, but it's the type of enthusiasm, the type of love you have for your niche that will keep you going. So it's really important for you to find a niche which is related to you, a niche which is related to the things you want to do for other people. It's maybe anything. Let's say you are passionate about dogs, about cats, about gardening, about whatever the things. Don't forget, there are tons of people who share the same passion that you do. So as you get involved in affiliate marketing, be wise and choose your niche. And if it's about money, I can tell you, money is everywhere. Though when you start to helping people, impacting their life, they will be willing to give you the money you need in order for them to receive a service, a great service for you. So the first thing is to choose a niche. So what is the second thing? The second thing you really need to do is to find a course, an online course, or I will also say maybe find a mentor, because people may not recommend it, but for me, I think that having a course will simplify you the things a lot. Because if you don't have a course, of course you may have some result, but the thing is that you may fall in some traps that a lot of people have been falling on before. You may do some common mistakes that a lot of people are doing. You may even don't really understand what you are doing. So for me, having a course is just like having a receipt, like having a blueprint, a blueprint that works. So in order for you to maybe speed your success, in order for you maybe speed your learning curve, you really need to have a course. And by having a course, you will have a mentor, you will have some examples, some practical way of doing things. Will have some study cases inside of the course. So I think that is just great. It will simplify, helping you to save money, time, and energy. So the goal of having a course is that you just have a first-hand idea on how things are getting done. And once you understand the process, you can start to customize it, make it better, put your own touch on everything. So the course is not the end, it's just the beginning for you. It's just like a basement when you get started. But I think that it's really important for you to have a course. So it means that you will maybe need to spend some money at the beginning, but I think that it's really worth it. So if you don't want to spend, you can also watch a lot of or YouTube videos. It's another great way. Don't watch too many, follow one people, because each one has his way of doing things. But you can watch some videos. But the other thing is that those videos will not also give you everything. They give you a big picture, but sometimes not everything. So a course is always better. And if you want, I have a link below with a free membership site that you can see. It's a course I'm taking right now. It's completely free, meaning that it's free. It doesn't mean that the information are just bullshit or whatever you want. But the information inside I just create. I'm using a only 3-step formula that that helped me to boost and continuing to build my affiliate marketing business. So I think that you really need to get involved in a course. Don't forget, the course will simplify you the way with the answer to a lot of questions you may have. Because, for example, for me, being in front of this camera talking to you right now, it has been thanks to a course. Because before that, I didn't think that I was able to do that. I didn't know how to do that. But with a course, things have been simplified for me. So I highly recommend you to get started with a course in order for you to speed up your result and speed up your success. So the third thing that you really need to do once you have a course is to choose a product to promote. So the common place that beginners are recommended to get started once they want to find a product to promote is to go on ClickBank. And of course, it's a great place that you really need to get started with. So ClickBank is the place where affiliate marketers make some big money. There are low ticket products, high ticket products, middle ticket products. It's up to you. You really need to choose one product, the products you really want to promote, a product which you are related to, a product which is related to your niche. So It's very important. Don't forget, once you are choosing the product, make sure that you check the vendor, check the reputation of the product. You don't want to sell something that is a scam or something that people have bad reviews on. And also make sure to check the volume of demand on the product. Check if similar products are sold on the market. So make some checks before you start to promoting products. So the other kind of products you can be promoting is the courses, the tools that you are using. It's one of the great way. So one of the tools that people keep on promoting every day is the email marketing tools, which allows you to get a monthly commission. I think that it's great. So you can promote those courses, and the benefit of promoting those tools and the course you are using is that people will trust you more because you are involved in the type of product you are promoting. So it's a huge thing. It's a beautiful thing. You can do that. So it's up to you. But the first step is to find a a product to promote. So the fourth one is to choose a platform. What I mean by that, I mean that when you get started online, and especially to become an affiliate marketer, you will need to create content and do it almost daily or regularly. It will depend on you. So a lot of people may find themselves better in blogging, writing posts online, and start to do everything that is needed in order for them to rank on Google and on other search engines. So it's also great, but you need to find a platform that that is related on to you, a platform that suits you. You really need to get one. You can get started on YouTube. That I really recommend, because for me, I think YouTube is great because you are creating one content, and once you are doing that, you are providing people value, and you are also building a passive income stream. Because of course, when you reach a certain level of subscribers, of views on YouTube, you start to monetize your channel, and for the effort that you are put on, you start gaining a lot of income from it. So I really recommend you to get started a YouTube channel if you like show yourself in front of a camera. And even if you don't like, you can try. You know what my technique? Try it on your glass in your bathroom. You will really see how you are great. And it's the same thing in front of a camera. You're just seeing yourself doing all those kind of stuff and believing that you are helping people. So the other place you can get started is on Instagram, on Facebook, on on no Twitter, no really, on Facebook, on TikTok. A lot of people also are promoting their content on TikTok. Don't forget the rule or the formula of promoting your product online is: first you give people value by creating high value content, and once you start to helping people a lot, you can put at the end your product that you are promoting. If you just put your product and try to sell things to people, they will not respond as you want. So don't forget, give a lot of people value. The type of value you will give to people will determine the type of income you will get from them. So don't forget, use one platform. Don't go everywhere at the same time. If you want to start a website and start to do blogging, you can get started there and only there, because there are a lot of skills you will learn in each platform. In let's say in a website, you will learn the SEO skill, and in YouTube, you will also learn how to the SEO skill, but related to videos, how to rank. So you don't want to spend your energy, your money, and your time everywhere. Just be focused on one platform, because the success will be from there. So The next thing you really need to do in order to become an affiliate marketer is to start to promote or to market your product. So market meaning, I mean that you really need to find ways for you to show your product to the right people. This is another big mistake that people do when they get started in affiliate marketing, is that they show the product to the wrong people. I mean by the wrong people, the kind of people who aren't interested in your product, the people who don't want to buy it, the people who don't have the money, the people who don't have the heart for that. So you don't want to do that. You really want to learn how to promote in the right way your product. The things you can be doing is by, for example, start to run some Facebook ads, some YouTube ads, some Google ads. And in those ads, you will really learn how to understand your audience, where to find them. So your products, in order for you to start making making money, you need to promote it, you need to market it. There are also school courses that shows you how to do it on messengers, on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So this is the things you really need to do once you have chosen the platform you want to get started with. So the last thing you really need to do is start to build your list. I think that building your list is one of the most, or even the most important thing you really need to do as you decide to become an affiliate marketer, because all those platforms we've talked about, the people inside aren't your people. I mean by that, they are owned by those platforms, Google, YouTube, Facebook, but you also need to own your own customers. I mean by that, taking in your list where you can have a direct contact and a direct communication with them. So if one day Facebook was coming to shut down, if one day YouTube was shutting down, if Google, whatever things were happening, you will keep a direct contact with those people because they are in your list. So you are owning those people in a certain point. So it's very important. You really need to build your list. So the things I recommend you to start doing as you are a beginner in affiliate marketing is to do solo ads. Is this type of ads that you paid for clicks. People will show your links, and once you are doing that, people will just started to subscribe, to put the email, and you will start to grow your list. The things with solo ads is that it's greatly effective. It shows you some great results. Don't forget, it's not because the goal of solo ads is to build your list. Sometimes you will make sales, but most of the time you will not at the beginning, because you really need to create a relationship with the people inside of your list. But it's completely great, because the most important thing that you need is to build your email list. So solo ads is the big way that you can get started. You can also do some ads on Facebook, YouTube, but solo ads is the number one that I really recommend you. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I say you bye bye and take care. That was Seal for Tremendous Generation.